Static dashboards are boring. Let's make them interactive. In this video, I'll show you how to add filters, parameters, and actions in Tableau to let your audience explore the data their way. First, we'll start with filters. These allow users to narrow down the data on a dashboard, like focusing on a specific region or product category. It's as simple as dragging a field to the filter shelf and showing it as a control. Next, we'll look at parameters. These are powerful for customizing views. You can let users pick a metric, change a calculation, or even control what data is displayed, all with a simple drop-down. And finally, actions. With dashboard actions, you can make charts respond to clicks. For example, clicking a bar can highlight related data in another chart, adding a whole new level of interactivity. With just a few tweaks, your dashboard becomes a dynamic storytelling tool. Want to see these steps in action? Watch the full walkthrough on Data Stories with Nirmala.